In this video, we are going to talk about the happy path of your customer or your shopper that are going to come on your website to visit or shop, and also about the worst case scenario, or also called edge cases in user experience design terms. So edge cases are the most worst case scenario. So whenever you are planning for anything, you have to consider the best possible scenario along with the worst case scenario. So in this video, we are going to talk about both of them. So whenever you have to plan your website out, you are building your e-commerce store, you have to first think of the worst case scenario. What will happen if your customer is really getting angry, or he is not able to add anything to his cart, or maybe he is unable to process his order, or maybe he is stuck on checkout? What will he do, or what will she do? She is going to call your helpline. So this is a really useful thing in laying out your whole website layout, your buttons, your contact information, your helpline information. So in this case, or in this worst case scenario, for example, there is Lena, and she's trying to order something online from your store. So she selected some items and she's unable to find the sizing chart. So this is a really big problem for her. She's not sure about the size. So what she's going to do? So these are few things she's going to click on the contact us button or something like that. So it is always better that you have, in case of emergencies, you have a personal number or some number, physical number, which a user can call. So you have to think about the worst case scenario. There might be users who even don't know how to process with your whole website, or how to process their order. Now the second part is you have to consider your expert user too. They are also your loyal customers. They know how to order, they are coming for the next order. So you have to think about them. What is their happy path? They need their information to be stored somewhere. They need their information to be stored in cache or in their account whenever they want to order next time. They don't want to re-enter their credit card information or their address again and again. So you have to think in both ways. You have to facilitate the expert users or your loyal customers, or a new user or a new shopper or your potential customers. So this video is about happy paths and worst case scenario, or we would say unhappy paths. So you have to plan out both of them. If you look at all different e-commerce big companies like Walmart, Amazon, or these kind of big stores, they have helpline, they have people, they have email helpline system. It is a lot of big support system behind these websites. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. I will see you soon in another video. Till then, take care and bye.